Hi, boys and girls. Now, let's look at a word problem. One of the things we're learning with fractions is not just new words in our vocabulary, but also how to read word stories in math. And we've done word problems with other types of concepts, but we're also going to keep doing those with fractions. This says, and please read with me. Camila has a whole cookie to share with a friend. So as I'm reading, you're going to hear vocabulary words. And when you do, give me a signal, give me a thumbs up every time you hear one of our new math vocabulary. Awesome. Camila has a whole cookie to share with a friend. How can Camila partition the cookie so that each friend has an equal part? I spelled a word wrong there. So that each friend has an equal part. So, I saw thumbs going up during my reading of the story. Good job, because that means you notice our vocabulary words for math. Whole means a whole piece of something. It hasn't been partitioned yet. Partition. That means we're going to need to do something. What are we going to need to do? Separate it into parts. And equal. So this is telling us how we're going to separate it. We're going to separate it so that it's equal parts, meaning not one piece is bigger than the other, but that those pieces are going to be the same size. So when you're looking at a problem like this, you got to think about, what do I need to know to solve it? What else do I need to know? I know that it has to be equal. Well, then I need to know, how many people am I going to share this with? How many people will I need to partition this cookie with? So it looks like it's Camila and a friend. A friend. So that just means one friend. So Camila and one friend is two people. So that means we're going to take the cookie and probably get to share it from two people. And let's look at this shape right here. I cut out this shape, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Pretend this is a cookie. And the way we figure out how to make half is easy. All we do is we fold our paper just like this. You see how I folded it? And it's perfectly folded so that the edges are together. Okay? They're together. I didn't fold it like this, where this edge is down here and this edge is up here. No, I folded the edges so that both of the edges are together. And it kind of looks like a taco. That's when I know my circle is perfectly folded and ready to be equal. So then I can open it up, and I'm going to have a line where the fold was, okay? So with that, I can take my marker and I can draw a line down the middle on that fold where it was folded. It helps me know where to draw and where to cut, okay? And after I draw it, I'm going to use my scissors, and I'm going to cut along this folded part. And after I cut it, I'm going to get, it's going to look like this. It's going to be right up the middle. And then I'm going to have two pieces now. Remember, I had one whole cookie, and then I folded it so perfectly equally, drew a line and cut, and now I have two pieces, right? So what do my pieces look like? When I look back at my vocabulary chart, I had a picture of whole, and I had a picture of half. This is the half part, right? So what you can do is write on here. You can write half. Okay, and then on this piece, I wrote the word whole with my pencil. Half and whole. So this is exactly how we would take one circle and make it into two equal halves to share with a friend. Half and whole. Okay, guys, I think you're ready to try this on your own. Get your paper and your pencil, and if you have a cup, like maybe this cup, you just turn it upside down, and it's going to be ready to trace a circle around. And Miss Brooks will show you how to do that in our next lesson. Okay, let's do it.